Hey guys, it's Jess here and welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is all about some acne scar remedies. And these are all going to be natural, like you've probably got this stuff at home right now. You can get started immediately. And this is because on my little community tab a little while ago, I posted up a poll and a lot of you said that you wanted to see some natural acne scar remedies. All right, so I've got 3 different acne scar treatments that I want to show you today. And the first one is a turmeric mask. Now this stuff looks scary because it is bright yellow, but I promise you guys it is not going to stain your skin as long as it's used in the right way. This is something that you can use on active acne as well, not just acne scars. So first of all, I have these oats and I've just whizzed them up in my processor so they're really super fine. Add about 3 teaspoons of that to a bowl and about 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add some water and stir as you go. You want to push this past that really sticky, clumpy paste consistency. It needs to be a little bit smooth. Once it looks like this, it's probably ready to go. So you can just use a spoon or a foundation brush and smooth that over your skin. After about 20 minutes, just wash it off with some warm water. If you're really worried about this particular mask staining your skin, I mean, don't worry. But if you are worrying, then my best advice is to use this maybe the day before you're going out or like if you have an event. But it is super important that you do mix the turmeric with something else. That's probably why it's usually used with like milk and yogurt and that kind of stuff. It's a particular spice that you should definitely be diluting before you use it on your skin. So that little mask is good to use maybe once or twice a week, and it should help with hyperpigmentation, some dark marks and scarring on your skin. And let's get on to skin treatment number 2, which is a little bit of a funny one, and that is using potato. Yep, the humble potato. It does actually have some anti-scarring properties. So let's get into this one. First up, you gotta wash and clean that potato because you don't want to be putting dirt all over your face. Now you need to grate that potato and collect all of those little pieces of potato and put it into a bowl and squeeze as much as you can. Squeeze all that juice and that water out of the potatoes. And now you can put pieces of paper towel in the juice to soak it up, and then you use that paper towel on your face like it's a sheet mask. Leave this on your face again for about 20 minutes. And then when you're done, you can just gently rinse your face off or just leave it on there. It doesn't really matter, it's just potato. Here's a bit of a bonus tip. If you guys have any dark circles underneath your eyes that you really don't like, then use a bit of potato. You can use that underneath your eyes on like the paper towel or whatever, and just put that under your eyes and it will help to reduce those dark circles. Hallelujah, it's very good for that, as well as helping with hyperpigmentation and marks on your skin. Alrighty, let's get on to the third and final treatment that I want to talk to you guys about today, and that is lemon. I'm really bad at catching and throwing. I was never into sports. Anyway, I have actually talked about lemon on this channel a few times before in the past, as well as turmeric and potato. So look, I'm gonna put loads of links for you guys down below in the video description, but I wanted to mention this as one of my favorite treatments and also just let you know a few extra important things. So first of all, this is what you need to do with the lemon. Cut the lemon in half, squeeze some of it into a bowl, and then use something like a foundation brush to brush that onto your skin. If the lemon is too strong for your skin, then definitely mix it with some water. So go 50% lemon, 50% water. After about, you guessed it, 20 minutes, you rinse this off with some warm water and then pat dry your skin and apply something like a really nice gentle moisturizer. You can use lemon as a spot treatment, so if you've just got really specific areas that you want to attack, then you can just apply it to those, or you can apply it to much larger areas of the face. Now there are a few things that I kind of really want to mention to you when it comes to using lemon as part of your skincare routine. You probably don't want to be using it more than maybe 2 to 3 times a week. Do not sleep with lemon on your face. I've had a few people ask if they can do that, and it's a bump, that's a no. Test it somewhere that's a bit inconspicuous, because some people find that this treatment is a bit too much for their skin. And one of the key reasons for that is that these things have a pH balance of about 2, which is completely different to our own pH balance of our skin. And it really can throw things a little bit out of whack. So definitely try it before you use it all over your skin. And if you do find it's too powerful, if it's too strong, then either mix it with water or forget it. Like, don't even bother. It's not worth it. The last thing that I need to mention to you guys, and it is incredibly important, you cannot skip this step no matter what. Doesn't matter if you're using potatoes or turmeric, or, well, especially actually if you're using lemon, and that is, don't skip on your sunscreen. Even if you're not using any of these, you should have sunscreen as part of your normal skincare routine, so I highly recommend a SPF 50+ to keep your skin nice and beautiful and sun safe. Okay, that's it. I'm out of here, guys. Thank you very much for being with me today. If you like this video, give it a like, maybe even share it around, that's even better. And I look forward to catching you all next week. I am making videos twice a week now, so yeah, tune in next Tuesday and next Thursday. I'm gonna kiss a lemon to you. Bye.